turn 2024 into your year of success. Whether you're aiming to build an online empire, start a local business, or go green with eco-friendly ideas, the opportunities are endless. In this video, we'll reveal the hottest small business ideas that are not only profitable, but also future-proofs. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll be ready to launch your own successful venture. Are you looking to start a profitable business in 2024? You're in the right place. Today, we'll cover some of the most promising business ideas, from the booming world of online ventures to local services and eco-friendly businesses. Let's dive in. Online businesses. Why online businesses are booming in 2024. The growth of e-commerce, digital products, and online services post-pandemic is driven by increased consumer comfort with online shopping, improved technology, and businesses rapidly adapting to digital models. The convenience of online shopping, rise in digital content like e-learning, and expanded global market access have fueled this trend. Additionally, sustainability and ethical consumerism are becoming more important, further driving demand for eco-friendly products and services online. This combination of factors ensures continued growth in these areas. E-commerce, digital products, and online services offer key advantages. Low startup costs. Starting an online business often requires less capital compared to traditional brick-and-mortar setups, as expenses like rent and inventory are minimized. Flexible working hours. Entrepreneurs can work from anywhere and manage their business on their own schedule, offering great flexibility. Access to a global market. Online businesses can reach customers worldwide, expanding market potential far beyond local limitations. These benefits make online businesses attractive and highly scalable. Here are some top online business ideas that you can grow with. Number 1. E-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store allows you to sell physical products through platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy. By focusing on niche products such as custom apparel, beauty items, or gadgets, you can cater to specific customer interests, stand out from competitors, and build a loyal audience. These platforms provide tools for easy setup and access to a large customer base, making it a viable and scalable business option. Number 2. Digital product sales. Digital product sales like ebooks, online courses, or downloadable resources offer low overhead costs since they require no physical inventory. These products have high profit potential, especially in popular niches like self-development, marketing, or education, where demand for knowledge and skills is constantly growing. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly, generating passive income. Number 3. Freelancing services. Freelancing services encompass various skills, including writing, graphic design, web development, and social media management. These services allow professionals to offer their expertise on a project basis, providing flexibility and autonomy in their work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer facilitate connections between freelancers and clients, enabling easy access to a global market. This model not only broadens opportunities for freelancers, but also allows businesses to find specialized talent tailored to their needs without the commitment of full-time hiring. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from companies such as Amazon and earning a commission for each sale generated through your referral link. This can be done by creating niche blogs, social media content, or email marketing around topics you're passionate about. It's a low-cost way to start a business, as you don't need to create your own products. Instead, you leverage existing offerings and earn income based on your marketing efforts. Here are some tips for success in online businesses. To succeed in online businesses, implementing effective marketing strategies is crucial. Utilizing SEO helps improve visibility in search engines, attracting organic traffic, while social media platforms enable targeted advertising and direct engagement with customers. Additionally, prioritizing customer service fosters trust and loyalty, as responsive and helpful interactions enhance the overall customer experience. Building a trustworthy brand through consistent messaging and quality products further strengthens customer relationships and encourages repeat business. Local service startups. Why local services are a solid option in 2024. Local services are a solid option in 2024 because people still require hands-on, personalized solutions that online businesses can't always provide. These businesses have low startup costs, can be launched quickly, and build strong customer loyalty through community engagement. The demand for reliable, local services like home improvement, cleaning, and pet care remains high, making them a profitable and stable business choice. These are some top local service business ideas. Local service businesses are in high demand, making them a profitable option for entrepreneurs. Cleaning services cater to both residential and commercial clients, with a growing preference for eco-friendly options. Home improvement and handyman services support homeowners with complex DIY tasks like plumbing and painting. Pet care services like grooming and dog walking are thriving in the expanding pet industry. Mobile car wash and detailing offer convenience for car owners and can be started with low overhead, especially when using eco-friendly techniques. Finally, event planning remains essential for organizing weddings and corporate events, requiring creativity and strong logistical skills. These service-based businesses provide flexibility and can adapt to community needs. Here are some tips for success in local service startups. For success in local service startups, effective marketing is crucial. Utilizing tools like Google My Business can enhance visibility in local searches, while engaging on social media helps connect with the community. Forming partnerships with local businesses can also expand your reach. Additionally, prioritizing excellent customer service and encouraging positive reviews will build a strong reputation, driving word-of-mouth referrals and attracting more clients. This combination of local marketing and exceptional service is key to thriving in a competitive environment. Eco-friendly business ideas. The rise of eco-friendly businesses in 2024. The rise of eco-friendly businesses in 2024 reflects a growing alignment with modern values and environmental concerns. Consumers are increasingly prioritizing sustainability in their purchasing decisions, favoring brands that demonstrate social responsibility and environmental stewardship. Eco-friendly businesses, which offer products and services that minimize environmental impact, resonate with this shift by promoting practices such as ethical sourcing, reduced waste, and energy efficiency. As awareness of climate change and ecological issues rises, these businesses not only meet consumer demand, but also contribute to a more sustainable future, making them essential in today's marketplace. These are some top eco-friendly business ideas. Number 1, sustainable fashion. Sustainable fashion focuses on producing eco-friendly and ethically sourced clothing, utilizing materials like organic cotton, hemp, and recycled fabrics. This approach minimizes environmental impact by reducing waste and pollution, while promoting fair labor practices. The growing consumer awareness of environmental issues has led to increased demand for sustainable fashion, making it a popular choice among eco-conscious shoppers who seek stylish yet responsible clothing options. Number 2, zero waste products. Zero waste products focus on reducing environmental impact by offering sustainable alternatives to single-use items. Examples include reusable straws, beeswax wraps, and compostable packaging. By selling these products, businesses can cater to the growing demand for eco-friendly solutions. Implementing subscription models for zero-waste kits can create a steady revenue stream, allowing customers to receive curated, sustainable products regularly, making it easier for them to adopt a zero-waste lifestyle. This approach not only promotes sustainability, but also builds customer loyalty. Number 3, green energy solutions. Green energy solutions such as solar panel installation, energy-efficient lighting, and home energy audits are becoming increasingly popular as consumers seek to reduce their energy costs and environmental impact. Government incentives and rebates for renewable energy and energy efficiency upgrades further drive demand for these services. As more homeowners and businesses prioritize sustainability, companies in the green energy sector are well positioned for growth and profitability. Number 4, organic and locally sourced food. Starting a farm-to-table delivery service or a small organic grocery taps into the growing demand for organic and locally sourced food. Consumers are increasingly seeking fresh, sustainable options that support local farmers and reduce environmental impact. This trend is driven by a desire for healthier eating, transparency in food sourcing, and a commitment to supporting the local economy. By providing convenient access to organic products, these businesses can cater to health-conscious consumers and foster a sense of community. Number 5, eco-friendly landscaping. Eco-friendly landscaping focuses on using drought-resistant and native plants to create sustainable outdoor spaces. By selecting plants that are well well adapted to local climates, these services help conserve water and reduce maintenance needs. This approach not only supports local ecosystems by providing habitats for wildlife, but also promotes biodiversity and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Overall, eco-friendly landscaping enhances the beauty of gardens while prioritizing environmental health. Here are some tips for success in eco-friendly businesses. To succeed in eco-friendly businesses, it's crucial to educate your audience about how their choices impact the environment through effective marketing. Align your brand with transparency and strong sustainability practices, as consumers increasingly support businesses that reflect ethical values and a commitment to the planet. This builds trust and fosters customer loyalty. So whether you want to start an online business from home, provide valuable services to your local community, or contribute to a greener future, 2024 is full of opportunities. Ready to start your journey? Let us know which idea excites you the most in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business strategies every week.